Hello students, my name is Mansi Patel and today we are going to study class 10, lesson number 10, light, reflection and refraction. So for that we are going to understand what is light. So there are two types of light sources. One is natural source. The natural source is like sun, stars, etc. So from that we got light naturally. Another thing is artificial source, that is candle, tube light, torch, bulb, etc. Artificial sources of light. So many scientists are there who discover light. Okay, the theory is for light is very long, because it is a very difficult to understand how light comes to our eyes and how we can see the object. So first scientist is Pythagoras. You all are familiar with Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so Pythagoras said one theory, and that is the light is in our eyes. Okay, and it go to the any object and then we can see the thing. So first in our eyes and then we see the object. But after some time Newton just opposite to him, and they argue so many things, because Newton's theory was that light is in object. So objects throw light to us, to our eyes, then we can see any object. Okay, so both argue so many times, and then last conclusion, okay, finally the conclusion was that light is in a straight line. Light travel in a straight line. Here is a one candle and you can see the straight line over there. So light travels straight line, and that straight line is called ray. RAY, ray. Light is a form of energy. Okay, because of that we can see anything, any object. An object reflect the light rays that fall on it. This reflected light rays, when received by our eyes, make the object visible to us. We are able to see through the transparent medium of light. Okay, the speed of light in a vacuum or in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, it is a very big thing. Light travel in a straight line. Here you can see this boy have one torch, and you can see the light is in straight line, that is ray. But here is one opaque object. Now this opaque object is wood, and because of this opaque object light cannot pass through it. Okay, the object do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque object. There are three types of thing. One, transparent object. Second, translucent object. And third, opaque object. Our hand, okay, you can see our hand. Our hand is opaque object, because when it comes to the light stop over there. The light cannot pass it. The light cannot pass this. Okay, so that is why that is opaque object, and only opaque object can form shadow. You can see here one man is, and here is a flashlight. So this man or this opaque object, okay, it cannot pass the light, so that is why here shadow is formed. Next is transparent object. Here you can see the transparent bag is here, and after that there is a door. So this transparent bag can pass the light. The light can easily pass through this object, and like a prism, okay, you all know the prism. prism is a transparent object, another thing is glass. Okay, so those things are transparent thing and light can pass easily. Here you can see water, glass of water. So glass is also a transparent and water is also a transparent object. Light easily pass, light easily travel in it. Next is, you can see, translucent. Now what is translucent? So light cannot fully pass through it, partially pass, like oil. Okay, from oil light cannot pass completely. Here you can see the juice glasses, light cannot pass completely, so that is why it is called translucent object. We saw three things: transparent, translucent and opaque. So here are certain examples. Only opaque object can form shadow. Next is reflection of light. Now the scientists, after so many arguments, they decide the thing, and the last theory was reflection of light. How can we see any object? How? So one is incident ray. Okay, that is angle of incidence. So it is the source of light, for example sun, okay, torch, bulb. So here is the incident ray, it comes to the object. Okay, here is the one object, that is smooth surface, so that is point of incidence. And then the light which came to that source, that is reflect. Okay, that is reflect, so it is here reflected ray. First, this is the angle of incidence because it is incident ray, and then it is reflect, so it is angle of reflection. First thing is normal. Okay, so I, small I, it represent incidence, small r, it represent refraction. You can see here equal angle of reflection. Okay, this both the angles should be equal. Okay, the phenomenon of bouncing back of light ray in the same medium, okay, that smooth surface is called reflection of light. Here is one smooth surface, the light incidence is here, that is torch, and light reflected, so it is reflection, angle of reflection, angle of incidence, and this is reflection of light. You can see one example is here, that is a light source. So here it is angle of incidence to an apple, so apple is an object, and here angle of reflection. So this both angles should be equal, then we can see any object. Another example, look, here is the light, that is sun, that is angle of incidence, that is incident ray. So here is an incident ray, it comes to the tree, and then tree throw that light, that ray, so it is reflected. That light comes to the tree, that is incident ray, and it is reflect, so it is reflected ray to our eyes, and when it comes to our eyes, then we can see that the object is tree or whatever the object is, then and then we can see. There are two main law of reflection. Okay, the first is angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. What it means? Okay, what it means, the angle of incidence, that is this ray, and the angle of reflection, that is reflected ray, so that is angle I and angle R should be equal. Okay, and next law of reflection is the incident ray, that is this pink one, incident ray. Next is reflected ray, that is the green one, reflected ray, and the normal, that is this dotted line, normal at the point of incidence. The point of incident, it means P, all line in a same plane, it should be in a same plane, that is mirror. How can we see that the thing is mirror or not? So incident ray came from any light source, It should be natural or artificial, any light source. Incident ray came and reflected to our eyes, and that reflected point, okay, that incidence in point, so we can see that this is mirror or a tree or a ice cream or anything. Okay, so it is introduction of light and reflection of light. I hope you understand. Thank you.